Hello, thank you for taking a moment to watch this video, and we are continuing the HubSpot to PhoneBurner integration training series. Hopefully you've been watching these all in series. If you are not, I highly recommend that you go back to the beginning and start from the beginning because they all build on each other. Now, on this particular training, I want to pick up where we left off, where we just did a dial session through a lead stream, and we made sure that the contacts were tagged appropriately with Jeff in this particular case. Now, if you watched that video, you saw that, hey, it's really easy for me to just do a quick advanced search to find all of the contacts that are tagged with Jeff and in the interested folder and blah, 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 right? We can do that. But hey, who wants to do that over and over and over again? We have a feature in the system that allows you to save these searches. So here, again, I've got this search criteria, tag Jeff, folder interested, and I'm going to go ahead and name this Jeff's Interested. Hit search. That's going to save that search. So the next time I log into PhoneBurner and I want to find my interested contacts, I can go to my saved search, Jeff's Interested. Okay, so that is for Jeff, but I should do the same thing for everybody on my team as well. Now, I've already created the live answer set for Mary. I created the dialer preset for Mary. I've assigned that to the lead stream. So let's just jump into Mary's account and let's create a save search for all of Mary's follow-ups that need to be followed up with. So we're going to click on the advanced search. We're going to go here, location information. We're going to look for anybody that's got Mary's tag that's in the follow-up folder and has a follow-up date that is today or before. And we're going to name this Mary's Follow-ups. So there we've got it. We've got that search created, and obviously there's nothing in there right now. So let's go do a quick dial session, make sure it's working. So let's begin a dial session. So I'm calling Selena. Let's say Selena answers, and we have a good conversation, but we don't close the deal. I decide that there's a date that I need to follow up with her. So I hit live answer, I end the call, I add some notes, adding notes, set a follow-up date. Let's say I'm going to just set it to today's date just so that we can see a few things. Make sure a few things are working, hit follow up. And now let's go ahead and end the session. You'll see our list has now gone down by 2 from where it started. Now let's go back to contacts. You'll see Mary's follow-ups will in fact show Selena because Selena's follow-up date is today or older. If we were to change that to, let's say, the 10th, if we had set that to the 10th, she wouldn't show up. She would be in the follow-up folder, and she would be tagged with Mary's name, but she would not show up in our save search for Mary's follow-ups because her follow-up is still in the future. And then one other thing that we can do with these save searches is we can pin these. So if Mary's logged in and she pins this, it's going to be pinned up at the top for Mary. Now, if I log in as, let's say, Johnny, Mary's saved search won't even be visible, and it's not going to be pinned. That saved search in my account, the admin account, is not going to be visible, and it's not going to be pinned. So each individual can create their own saved searches and pin those in their account, and that will only affect them. So anyway, that's a quick little overview of how you can take advantage of saved searches to help you and your organization be more efficient in following up with your contacts when you're using a shared database like a networked account that's syncing data to HubSpot. Thanks again for taking a moment to watch this video, and happy dialing.